Hey everyone, Jason Wehrli with Wehrli Custom Fab. Today we've got our L5P Duramax 3.5 inch high flow downpipe. Our 3.5 inch high flow downpipe for the L5P fits 2017 to current model year L5P trucks. We developed a downpipe that replaces the OEM unit, which is crushed in several spots, restricting the exhaust flow. And this downpipe connects using our factory style mounting brackets, includes the temperature sensor bung for the EGT sensor, and incorporates the factory style 4-bolt flange connection at the exhaust system. The downpipe is a 3.5 inch mandrel bent the whole way, comes with a ceramic coat finish as well as heat wrap. The biggest benefit is creating more airflow from point A to point B with a straight 3.5 inch flow. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out to our sales team or any WCFab dealer. Thanks a lot for watching.